Hi, welcome to the test taker model. Now, this is the model used by the students to basically take test scripts that has been set by facilitators, right? So when they come to the dashboard, they have access to their upcoming tests, completed tests, and stuff like that, average scores on the different tests that they've taken. So you can just click to take tests and you have access to your different test scripts that has been set, right? We set a bunch using this. Then once they come here, they click on start test, right? If you're online, you have access to it directly here and you can take your test, right? This, for example, I'm just selecting random options just so we can get the walkthrough done properly. Then for AC, right, just enter the answer, history, and then here, whatever menu can enter whatever you want, just so you can this. As you click submit, now you see it has already marked the objective and it allows the EC for the facilitators to do the marking. And subsequently go take a test in there. Now you see once they take the test once, they can't take the test. Right? It's a one-time something. Let's try taking this that it was basically objective only. So let me say A, and I think I did B, yeah. Now with this, easy peasy, 100%, right? So they also have the other section of the test taker involves the AI assistant. Now, this AI assistant allows students to basically to use the AI to generate quiz for themselves, test their ability, right? So we can select the subject, intermediate science, for example, difficulty, medium, and then if you have any additional options you want to ask the AI to check out for you, you can do that. If you don't, you have it here. You see, now it has it for you in here. It has 10 questions and you can basically go through it and now say, there's this. Now, this AI assistant now is kind of a way to assist the children in their learning. So whatever subject, it goes in there, create for them random questions and allow them to basically test their knowledge, test their ability, right? Describe the water cycle and create process of evaporation. I can put anything. Great. So test this out. And then you're done. It clicks submit, and then the AI now basically marks this test script. If there is objective, it marks it. AC marks it. So AC is giving you and it gives you feedback on each of the answer you've taken. It basically gives you an AI feedback. And then if you see, it also gives them point. It has a point system just so that it gives them that kind of gamified experience on the platform, right? So these are different. Now, these are different tests set by other classmates, right? Because you can set your own test, you can create your own quiz, you can take it, yeah, and then it will also be available for your other classmates. They can also take it, right? You can see the name of your classmates that actually created these different, what is it called, these test scripts or this AI quiz, and they actually did it. Then for this reflection, right? This reflection now allows students to use the AI to get feedback on different tests that they have actually taken in the past. So that the AI goes in there, analyze your performance on a test and gives you feedback. Oh, you failed this part, this is what is supposed to be here. And then whatever reflection, it can assist you with that. Then for the achievement now, this guy gives the students an achievement overview of what they've done, gives you your total points, your current rank, badges you've earned. Now you see all these are your different badges that you've earned. Now you can go to leaders board to see your different leaders and see if you're somewhere in the whole thing, which the student is obviously at number 8, right? In their own class. And you can have the general leaders board. Now, this class leaders board gives you access to all the ranking of performance on the AI test, AI quiz activity for your particular class. And then the general leaders board gives you an overview of the entire school, right? So the different students in the entire school, you see this child is the highest, about 3,353 points with about 10 badges, 6 badges, 5 badges. And you can see on the big guy's board, the student has not even gone anywhere, right? So this encourages students to kind of be more engaging, and then it kinds of gives them points based on their activities, right? So the school can use this to give students, they can choose to give students gifts based on their performance, right? So that you can encourage the students to go in field the AI quiz assistance to take subsequent tests to improve their learning and also improve their performance in school. So this covers basically, I think, most of the key functionality of the the test taker model of the ROS system, right? So thank you for walking through this with me.